It's never too late to learn. It's never too late to be certified. Have you been working with your hands, your skills, your experience, but never had the papers to prove it? Through recognition of prior learning, your experience counts. At Mathenge Technical Training Institute, we turn what you already know into a nationally recognized certificate. We offer RPL certification in carpentry and joinery, masonry, plumbing, electrical installation, agricultural extension, fashion design, hairdressing, baking technology, housekeeping, motor vehicles mechanics, and automotive technician. No long classes, no starting from zero, just assessment, recognition, and certification. Your skills matter. Your experience counts. Enroll today. May intake ongoing. Call us on 0725 737 174. Thank you.